So friends, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series has been launched, but does this smartphone live up to our expectations, or is there something hidden in it that might surprise you? In this video, I will share its detailed review with you and reveal a big secret at the end of the video. So don't miss the video. The Galaxy S25 series design truly gives a premium feel. Samsung has introduced a new metal finish this time, which helps prevent fingerprint smudges. But the real twist lies in the design itself, which sets it apart from other smartphones. It features a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X display with 2000 nits of brightness. That means even under bright sunlight, your content will look clear and vibrant. But the question is, does this brightness impact battery consumption? The Galaxy S25 series comes equipped with the latest Exynos 2500 chipset. The performance is exceptional, but if you're into gaming, does this phone heat up? I have tested it thoroughly. Now, let's talk about the camera, and this is where the phone might amaze you. It boasts a 200 megapixel primary camera and features like 100x space zoom. It performs incredibly well in daylight, but is it just as impressive in low light? I've clicked a few pictures that will leave you stunned. It has a 5000 milliamp hour battery, and Samsung claims it can easily last 2 days. Plus, it supports 65-watt fast charging. Friends, this time, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has introduced a feature that sets it apart from other smartphones. A new folding screen mode. Yes, the phone is not just flat. It can fold up to 45 degrees. This feature takes your movie watching, video calls, and gaming experience to a whole new level. So friends, this was the complete review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Could this be your next smartphone? Do share your opinion in the comment. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do it quickly. I will keep bringing you exciting and fun tech videos like this every day. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay upgraded.